In this video, I will guide you through how to zoom in on Minecraft or how to view anything from a distance in Minecraft. One way is to use Optifine, which is a Minecraft optimization mod. Go to Optifine official website, go to downloads page, download same version of Optifine as Minecraft. If you are using Minecraft 1.20.4, download Optifine 1.20.4. This is important. After downloading, install it. It will add itself in Minecraft launcher. To use it, play Minecraft by using it. Instead of Minecraft's latest release, select Optifine from the list and play the game. Once inside the game, press C on keyboard to zoom in and see distant objects. Like so. Optifine is free and offers to use a lot of other features like mods and shaders as well. But be careful, only use Optifine's version that matches your Minecraft's version. Otherwise, play Minecraft latest release. Second way to zoom in on Minecraft is by using spyglass. To craft a spyglass, you need 2 copper ingots. Mine copper, it looks like this. Then mine amethyst to get 1 amethyst shard. This is amethyst shard, and these are amethyst blocks. You'll have to dig down to get amethyst and amethyst shard. Smelt copper to get copper ingot. 2 copper ingots and 1 amethyst shard. Place copper ingots and amethyst shard like this to get spyglass. Hold spyglass and use right click to zoom in on distant objects. And this is how you can zoom in on Minecraft. Zooming capability will help you progress in the game faster. If this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next one.